Here's a question where you asked to rationalize the denominator. In other words, get rid of the radicals that are on the bottom. So to do that, I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. So it'll be 7 root 5 and root 35, but instead of a minus there, this will be a plus. If I do it to the bottom, I also must do it to the top. That's a 35. Okay, so now it's time to FOIL radicals. So this one times this one would be 7 root 5. This one times that one would be plus root 35. And then, I'm just getting the color here. Root 7 times, negative root 7 times the positive 7 root 5 would be a negative 7 root 35. Okay, and then the last one, that one times that one, negative, so it'll be negative, whatever 35 times 7 is. 35, 7, 35, 3, that's 21, so 245. So it'd be root 245. On the top, all over. On the bottom, this times this would be 49 root 25. This times this would be a positive 7 root 245. And then this one times this one would be a negative 7 root 245. See what's going to happen there? And then finally, negative, oh, wrong color, green. Negative root 35 times that, it'll be negative. Root 35 times root 35 is root 35 squared. The answer to that's just going to be 35. Okay, now let's see if we can simplify. So on the top, no, root 35, this is 1 root 35 minus 7. That'd be a negative 6 root 35. 7 root 5, can't do anything with that. Okay, 245, we did that. That's 7 times 35, right? 7, so it'd be like root 7 times 35, or root 7 times 7 times 5. Since there's two 7s, it'd be 7 root 5. So this would be minus 7 root 5. Oh, so those cancel. Nice. So on the top, all I have is a minus 6 root 35. Let's do the bottom. These two cancel. I'll be left with 49 times the root of 25, which is just 5, minus 35. Okay, feeling good so far. Minus 6 root 35. 49 times 5 be 45, 245. Minus 35. So it'd be minus 6 root 35 over 210. I'll bet 6 goes into 210. Because I can simplify that, right? Let's just see if it does. 6 goes into the 3 with 3. 6 into 30 goes 5. Yeah, so I can cancel. Well, maybe just let me write it like this. Minus 6 root 35 over 210 is the same as 6 times 35. So the 6's cancel. I'll be left with negative root 35 over 35. Final answer.